This bomb doesn't explode when it hits, it waits. Because its real target isn't on the surface. It's hidden deep underground. For decades, militaries around the world believed that going underground meant safety. They built bunkers beneath mountains, command centers buried under layers of reinforced concrete, facilities hidden so deep they were almost impossible to reach. These structures were designed to survive explosions, missile strikes, even air attacks. The deeper you went, the safer you were. At least that's what people thought. But warfare kept evolving, and eventually a new kind of weapon was created. A weapon designed specifically to break that illusion of safety. A bomb that doesn't destroy what you can see, but goes after what you can't. These are known as bunker buster bombs, and they change the rules of modern warfare completely.
At first glance, a bunker buster might look like a regular bomb, but its design is completely different. Most bombs are built to explode on impact. Bunker busters are built to survive impact. Their outer shell is made from extremely hardened steel, sometimes even repurposed artillery barrels, designed to withstand massive pressure. When released from high altitude, the bomb begins to accelerate, faster and faster, pulled down by gravity. By the time it hits the ground, it carries enormous kinetic energy, and instead of exploding, it punches through the surface, through soil, through concrete, through layers of rock. The deeper it goes, the more dangerous it becomes, because once it reaches a certain depth, a delayed fuse activates, and then it explodes. Underground. This is what makes it so destructive, because explosions on the surface spread outward, but underground explosions trap the energy, forcing the shockwave to travel through the surrounding material, crushing structures, collapsing tunnels, and destroying everything from the inside. Some bunker busters are capable of penetrating dozens of meters below the surface. One of the most powerful examples is the GBU-57 massive ordnance penetrator. Weighing over 13,000 kilograms, it is one of the heaviest conventional bombs ever built. It's designed to target deeply buried facilities that are protected by multiple layers of concrete and earth. These kinds of targets include underground command centers, weapons storage facilities, hidden military bases, and even facilities built inside mountains. In many cases, these locations are chosen specifically because they are hard to reach. They are meant to stay hidden, protected not just by walls, but by depth itself. But bunker busters are designed for exactly that purpose. They don't rely on blast radius alone, they rely on penetration and timing. Some are even guided with precision systems, allowing them to hit exact locations, which means they don't just destroy an area, they target a specific point deep underground. This completely changes how we think about safety. For a long time, going underground meant protection. It meant survival. It meant being out of reach. But weapons like bunker busters challenge that idea. Now, even reinforced bunkers can be vulnerable. Even facilities hidden deep beneath the surface can be reached. And as technology continues to evolve, these weapons are becoming more advanced, more precise, and potentially capable of reaching even greater depths, which creates a new kind of uncertainty. Because if underground isn't safe, then what is? In modern warfare, it's no longer just about firepower. It's about reach, about precision, about the ability to hit targets that were once considered untouchable. And that raises a question that still doesn't have a clear answer. Is anything truly safe anymore? Because today, even what's buried deep beneath the ground might not be out of reach.